Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to look for jobs on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking for jobs on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and find a job that's right for you? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're going to do first is that you're going to log onto your OfferUp account, and then you're going to make sure that you're installed with the latest version of OfferUp, okay? So make sure that your OfferUp account is up to date with the latest version. Next, you're going to click on Jobs, which is located on the upper hand side. And then here is where you can find a variety of different jobs. So with that, you could actually filter out the jobs based on cleaning, admin, retail, construction, sale, health. You could even click on gig jobs as well, and it'll filter different jobs based on it being like a one-time thing. So for example, if you click on the ShareTown job, you can see the description of the job. You can see the type of job it is. Most of the time, employers do list out a good quality job description. So with that, if you want to apply to this job, you would simply just click on apply now, and then it's going to redirect you usually to the gig page. So with that here, you're basically off of OfferUp at this point, at which point you would just go ahead and apply for the job. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a job on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.